Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm really excited to shoot this video because I have been wanting to do something like this on film for a long time. This is something I do in my real life all the time, and now I really want to show you guys. For the past, I don't know, 10 years or something like that, I have been known to all of my friends as somewhat of a packing wizard. And every time they would go on a trip, they would want me to come over and help them pack. So of course I always did. I had no idea it was an actual skill. Now it's turned into a whole YouTube channel, and sometimes I still help them pack. And today that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm bringing you along with me. So stay tuned as I go to my friend's house, see everything that she's laid out that she wants to bring on this trip, and see if it can fit in her suitcase. Because if it doesn't, then we need to have a bit of an intervention. Could get a little dramatic. This friend of mine is somebody that has been on many trips with me. We have been to probably 20 something countries together. Scotland, England, Wales, Northern Ireland, Iceland, France, Spain, Monaco, Italy, Egypt, Jordan, South Korea, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Finland, Russia, Sweden, Latvia, Estonia, Portugal, Vatican City, and Canada. Today she will be packing in a carry-on because she has a very tight layover on her way to Hawaii. So she knows that a checked bag is not a good idea. I'm gonna guess she's gonna pack 10 bathing suits, and I'm gonna guess that her toiletries bag is going to be like this big. So we'll see. I mean, honestly, in my opinion, it's tropical, it's smaller clothes. I'd be in a bathing suit like the whole time. All right, let's go drive to her house and prepare yourselves for an intervention.
This is for 1 week in Hawaii.
This is her carry-on bag, and this is her toiletries bag, you guys. What did I say? That it was going to be this big. Let's rewind real quick. Her toiletries bag is going to be like this big. She knows she can't bring it all.
So 4 long dresses. And this is a shorter dress, you know, in case legs want to be freer. This is my go to the pool dress. Skirt, shorts, dressier shorts. Tank tops, t-shirts, bathing suits. I really cut them back. It used to be 1 per day.
So how many? Because I made a bet.
I got 3.
I said 10.
Usually it is 1 a day. You weren't wrong, but I really stood in there for about 20 minutes. Yelled at myself.
Let's start with bottoms.
Skirt, dressy, and then these are athletic. They dry fast.
And then we need, what do you imagine wearing
this? Well, then I also brought a t-shirt version in case it's cooler.
Will you wear that with any of these?
No.
Or these?
For that one, I specifically brought this tank top.
So this is an outfit you want. You could technically wear that with that.
Yeah.
If all of this can fit in a packing cube, I don't care. But you want to pack that. Do you have to change? Go bring me that shirt. Thanks. She's in her closet and she's like, oh wait, these shorts. Okay, first of all, way too many casual shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Too many tank tops, not enough.
This is only gonna match this and this. That's gonna be our maybe. This isn't gonna match this color shorts.
I can do this one, I can do the white.
Well, we should definitely pack a white, but you have 2 whites.
One's like more, I think, beachy or adventure-y, and this one's more like also beachy adventure, but I could also wear it to dinner maybe.
Yeah, then this one.
Well, we'll just put this in the maybe pile.
I'm just waiting till I can throw something at the camera that's a definite no.
In case my shoulders are cold. I guess I could just bring a cardigan.
You're not gonna wear a cardigan in Hawaii ever.
Well,
unless
it's cool at night.
Not compared to here. Unless you want to do a cardigan for your travel outfit. Would you rewear any of these?
I don't rewear anything. But yes, I'll try. I'll say yes.
Christina's dilemma is a lot like you guys, and she doesn't like to rewear anything. But for me, when I go on a trip, if I'm just gonna throw on some shorts and a tank top just to head to the beach or to head on a boat or something like that, I'm gonna rewear that a bunch of times because it's just gonna get kind of wet and weird. You know what I mean? You already have this for a dinner, and this for a dinner, and a mountain of dresses. Which of these shirts do you really want to bring? Because I haven't looked at this yet. Oh God, you only have these 2 bottoms.
Should I bring jeans?
No, you're not gonna wear jeans in Hawaii.
No, you're right.
Because if I let you bring 1 short dress and 1 long dress, a skirt and shorts, if you want to bring another dress, you have to cut a pair of casual shorts. Because it all has to fit in a medium packing cube. So you have this to go with this. Which top do you want to also go with this? Oh, that's cute.
stylist now. Okay, we're gonna try that out.
She's gonna try it out.
Do a little skin here. Woo! I feel like something's wrong. Real classy. Yeah. This is what I like. I can go anywhere I want, but not home. Going to the beach. 1 shirt, 3 pants.
If you had to eliminate one pair of the
I have
3
nothing to
pairs
wear.
of short, they pack up small, so
Yeah, they're very
this
small.
all could be okay.
So tiny. It's like they're not even here. I also have 4 of these if you don't like hot pink.
I don't like hot pink because it can only go with black. You need one color scheme. Okay, this is good. You have enough white shirts already.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna wear this shirt over that one.
If I wasn't here, would you have tried all this on?
No.
So the thing that I'm realizing and why I'm really glad that I'm here is that this is everything that she would have packed, but right now I'm making her try stuff on and she's realizing she doesn't like it. And she just told me that if I wasn't here, she would have just brought it, tried it on when she got there, been upset and just not worn it. And then she would have packed it for no reason. If you could pick this, or this, she wants to pack a short sleeve shirt in case it gets cold.
They're all different.
Let me see what that looks like.
It's baggy and homeless looking.
Well, then why do you want to bring
Because
it?
it's comfortable. Homeless.
Then no.
All right, we'll take that one. Can I take 2?
We'll see what fits in your packing cube.
Can I bring a cardigan now?
We're not there yet. So these are all your packing cubes?
These are extra add-on bags. Like, say you need a tiny little one for like makeup or something. It's in here. It's in here somewhere. Here's another.
No, I like these better than these.
I just bought those.
Yeah, but this is gonna fit more. You want to bring more
This is
stuff?
compression. What about this?
No. That's a comfort for home that you don't need.
Is my hanging hammock in here? For, it goes around the seat. No, I'm taking it! I have to have my feet elevated. She said no to the hammock. To the rolling days. Haven't done this in a long time.
Back to the rolling days. It's time to see if it all fits in one medium packing cube, and if not, we might have to eliminate
We
some
also have
stuff.
large packing cubes.
Okay, we're gonna take the biggest thing first.
That's crazy.
Clothes are done.
Yay. She omitted this herself. I did not.
One time when we were packing for a trip, she wanted to bring like 8 bottles of lotion, and while she wasn't looking, I took them all out and hid them in her room.
She did do that.
We don't have to show your underwear on camera, but we do have to pack it. This is your chance to see Christina's underwear on camera.
It's not sexy.
Christina is one of those girls that thinks she's going to poop her
You edit that
pants every day, so she wants to bring triple the underwear. I mean, you don't need all of these, and these are quick dry, and you're in one hotel. You can wash them and hang them to
Oh,
dry.
you're right.
I did that in Tahiti. I only brought like 4 pairs. Okay, so bra. Hate compression because it's not going to compress.
What's the point of those?
Exactly. You can't fit as much stuff. That's why I don't like it.
Those are stupid. TikTok made me buy them.
Get the one that matches that. Look at this is so much better already.
Those are a waste. Anybody want to buy some compression bags?
Bathing suits, pool cover up, underwear, bras. We did it. How are you feeling?
I'm all right now.
Let's get this ginormous toiletries bag. You have a toothbrush, you have a deodorant, toothpaste, because that's a liquid. You need more Q-tips. Do you have a shampoo conditioner preference? Will you use this?
Yes.
You can bring a small thing of sunscreen, but I recommend honestly just getting a big one there. A razor, and get a baggie. It takes up way too much
Oh,
space.
I bought a pill container.
Get me a baggie.
A what?
A bag, like a baggie. Like that you would pack snacks in. This toiletries bag is way too big. Like I like that this one has more organization in it.
Yeah. What? You went smaller?
And because your toothbrush thing is so long, it just fits better. You have to consult me before you buy these things. Look! It's so good.
We also have a backpack toiletry
You
bag.
can only bring one. What is in that one? We already went over your toiletries.
This is what we used last time. I used the face spritz and the lotion.
Yeah, but look at how much room
And
you
the
don't have.
moisturizer.
You already have that. You already have that. I don't think that's gonna fit, ding dong. We're gonna have a lot of space. We have so much space, she's gonna kill me.
Can I bring more shit then?
You could bring a cardigan. You have more than enough stuff.
Are you kidding me? That's it?
Mm-hmm.
That's all I'm allowed to bring.
Bathing suits, underwear, cover up, 2 pairs of sunglasses, all of her clothes. I let her pack a cardigan, stuff she needs at the beach, her liquids because she's pre-check and clear so she doesn't need to take them out, a beach bag, an extra pair of shoes, and her toiletries. I'm letting her pack a dressy pair of sandals for dinner because she has room. Look, you're gonna thank me. We did it.
Oh, we didn't do makeup.
We gotta do makeup. Even though she doesn't ever do her hair and she does just a little bit of makeup, she's gonna wanna bring everything she owns. How many times have you blown out your hair in the past month?
A full blow, never.
So to do your hair, you're not gonna need a blow dryer because the hotel's gonna have one. My thing about travel blow dryers is that everyone wants to bring one.
So
but literally,
cute.
yeah, but the hotel is gonna have, honestly, a better one.
Okay, I'm not gonna curl my hair. Can I bring the travel straightener? All right, do we have everything now? Oh wait, the brush.
No,
If I blow dry my hair, I need a brush.
you have a flat iron. You can air dry it and then flat iron it.
Have her pack for you, they say. It'll be fun.
Okay, so we have finished packing her for Hawaii. And then she comes home and goes on vacation with me.
This is all I get to bring.
It's everything she needs. Here's all her clothes. Here's all her bathing suits, 2 pairs of sunglasses, her beach bag. I let her bring a cardigan. She has all of her toiletries. I just put it in a smaller bag.
What are you worried about?
Not having something I need.
We're not going to a
You
third
have
world
everything
country,
you
honey.
need.
We can buy what you need if you miss anything.
All right. Hey.
How was your experience today?
It was great. It went well. I needed Lauren. It was hard sometimes. I think I'll actually wear the things that she packed for me, and it's not going to be a lot of throwing things out of the suitcase. I'm not wearing this, so.
How many times have you gone on a trip and packed stuff and didn't wear it?
Every trips that I haven't gone with you.
How many items today did you try on and then realize you didn't like it and you would have packed them anyway?
Oh, at least a handful, yeah. And I would have packed those. I would have gotten them there and put it on and nope.
Are you more upset about the lack of toiletries or the lack of clothing?
Lack of toiletries for sure. I also don't use many of those, but I think I need them.
Are you open to trying non-liquid toiletries to make life easier?
We will try. We'll try on the Europe trip.
Are you more excited for Europe or Hawaii? It's tough.
Probably
It's
Europe, because I haven't
tough.
been out of the country since COVID.
Yeah, and you haven't traveled with me since before COVID.
Yeah.
Would
true.
you like to show people your flags?
Yes. Come to my travel room. Here's my flags from all the countries.
Scratch
off.
off map. I remember when you scratched off Russia.
It took forever.
That was a day. Excellent.